Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to provide an overview of one of the items within our canonical section. In the previous video we were talking about trailing slash URLs, and in this video we're going to talk about non-trailing slash URLs. Now a trailing slash is simply something you'll see at the end of a URL, so if we can zoom in on this, you'll see that trailing slash is what we're talking about. On our website we prefer to include the trailing slash, so if you take it away and hit enter it will redirect back. There's no intrinsic benefit to having or not having a trailing slash. It's merely an aesthetic thing. Some people prefer to use it, some people don't. We've already talked about what trailing slashes are in a little bit more depth in the previous video. The only reason that we show this within the canonical section is because if you're noticing data in both categories, such as the trailing slash and non-trailing slash category, that means that you've got URLs probably being accessed from multiple sources, which can cause canonical duplication. So really everything from HTTP URLs right through to non-trailing slash URLs are only really here so that you can understand the canonical configuration of your website. Okay, I hope this has cleared things up. Thanks for watching.